So here are the IMDb movie details, such as the title, when it was released, the budget, and also how much it earned worldwide, and the IMDb movie rating, and also the search results from IMDb, like these one, which you will be easily able to get after watching this video. If you've ever tried scrapping IMDb, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different story when it comes to production. Scrapping IMDb seems simple, right? Just go to the website, grab whatever movies that you're interested in, and you're done, isn't it? But if you're trying to do it at scale, you're gonna run into various challenges. You're gonna face captchas, you're gonna face page timeouts, IMDb will block you, or responses that never seems to come back or come back half empty. To resolve these challenges, you can use Playdate Puppeteer, you can use residential proxies, or write complex reactor to get back the data, but they could break next month also. So let me show you how you can easily get IMDb data. Very easy, very simple, in next 5 minutes only, and you don't have to write any complex selector or maintain your project for months and months and constantly rewriting your code. So let's run. Now we want to get detailed data like this one. To get such detailed data, we need to make use of Python, and to make our life simple and so we don't have to write any complex selector code, we're going to take help of an API called the IMDb Scrapper API by Omar Cloud. This API. So Omar has been written excellent on Trustpilot. To use this API, you just have to sign up for an account in Omar Cloud. You get 100 requests free every month. Then you just have to search for IMDb in here. Just visit the IMDb Scrapper API page. And in this API has various endpoint to search for IMDb movies or get details about a movie or about a title cast if you're interested in that. Now, what we're interested in is searching for the IMDb movie. So we're going to be using this endpoint. And what we're going to do is we're going to search for this movie, Shawshank Redemption, on IMDb. So I'm just going to hit send, and I've got back the response back. So this is all the details and the search results about that movie. As you can see, it is very detailed data that we have seen. Now, next, let me show you how you can get data for a movie. Let's say the Marvel movie. What I'm gonna interested in is get data about this Marvel movie. So this one. So I'm gonna use this endpoint, and this is actually the Marvel movie that I'm interested in. So I'm just gonna paste this is the item ID, and I'm just gonna hit run. So I've got Avengers Endgame data. So as you can see, I just can visit this website and I can just cross-link and show you that it's the same only. So the same, we have got the rating in here as it is in here, and the same description that we have got, and all details are same when it was released 2019. And yeah, everything that's in here, it's 100% accurate. Totally watch data it's in there is watch data that we see in here only. So if you just go there, cast Robert Downey. So we have Robert Downey, Tony Stark, all kind of details that we have. So it's really, really accurate. So if you just want to save yourself a lot of effort and don't write any complex selector code for IMDb, you can use this API. You get 100 requests free every month. So you can easily try it out. And it's built by Omar Cloud, which has been rated excellent on Trustpilot. So you're in great company. Now, if you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments. You can find a link to it in the description and in the pinned comment. Thank you and have a great day.